Join me on an artistic adventure into the world of temporary tattoos. In this tutorial, I'll share the secrets to creating your very own designs from the comfort of home. From selecting designs to mastering application techniques, I'll guide you through the process step by step, revealing how to achieve professional-looking temporary tattoos that look and feel real. Whether you're an artist or simply curious about body art, this video is for you. Unleash your creativity and adorn yourself with fabulous temporary works of art, from intricate patterns to stunning motifs. I'll show you how to bring these designs to life using easily accessible tools and materials. This tutorial is perfect for DIY enthusiasts and body art lovers, as it unveils the secrets of temporary tattoos, empowering you to express your imagination in a magical, artistic way. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with fellow body art enthusiasts on this exciting journey of self-expression.